me! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate clock and tap on it. Then choose Agree in the pop-up and tap on this alarm icon at the top left corner. Then tap on this +1 and set up an hour. When you're ready, you need to select Repeat and tap on Once Daily, Monday to Friday, or Custom. If you want to choose Custom, you can set up days of the week manually and save them by choosing OK. Now click on the switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to switch off or on vibrations and click on Label. Now label your alarm however you want to, choose OK and tap on Ringtone. After that, you need to select Apply next to the best one for you. Choose OK and go back. But you can also click on Choose Local Ringtone, tap on one of those sources like File Manager, pick a song from your smartphone after choosing Agree and Continue, tapping on Allow and clicking on the song. Then you need to choose this checkmark over here and tap on Apply next to Added Song. Then choose OK and finally go back. Now select Allow one more time and save your alarm by clicking on the checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you're still delete it, hold it, choose this bin icon, and now it's gone. In order to adjust all of your alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. For example, Auto Silence. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!